Ultimate Reloader is going all digital with its 3-phase power at both shops. In this video, I want to tell you all about what we have planned, give you a bit of a preview, and also tell you about a special deal you can take advantage of today. Hey guys, Gavin Gear here from ultimatereloader.com. That's right, we've got 2 digital conversion panels we're going to be installing, one at each of our shops at Ultimate Reloader. Let me get this out of the box and I can explain what this is all about. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. This is the PTE010 from Phase Technologies. Phase Technologies is the only company that provides all digital phase conversion technology that supports multiple concurrent loads. So you can have one converter panel, have it run multiple machines. When I found out about this technology, I thought that's exactly what I'm looking for. It has less than 2% power imbalance. So in other words, the 3 legs of power coming out are going to be outputting the same amount of power, and that means equal load on the windings in the motor, which means increased longevity. And we're talking 98% in that ballpark efficient, right? So this type of technology has a lot of pros and upsides that static phase converters, rotary phase converters, and VFDs don't have. Now we're going to get into more of those details as time goes on. We've got 2 different installations, 2 different projects. Really excited about this technology. So inside the box we had the PTE010 panel. This is actually for our mountain shop. Mounting brackets and the rain hood. I thought I would install the panel outside so that any of the digital conversion noise, kind of a digital noise, would be kind of cast to the outside. Let's open the cover and see what's inside. So there we go. This is quite the compact all digital unit. It's going to require 62 amps input single phase and output 36 amps 3-phase, and that's going to run a 10 horsepower motor. And we already have 3 pieces of 3-phase equipment up at the mountain shop, so I think this will be an ideal solution for that particular application. So I want to talk briefly about how I arrived at this particular solution. It started with a quote from our local PUD to get 3-phase power, which is just kitty corner on this street intersection outside to the outside of our building. I was shocked. It was going to be in the $30,000 to $50,000 range. Now I'm currently renting this building down here, and that meant this is just not a cost I can get my head around. I talked to the crew at Area 419 asking about what they were using, and it turns out prior to moving to their giant facility that they're in now, they had their entire shop run off of a Phase Perfect unit. In fact, I think they had multiple in John's home shop before they made, the big move. And it was amazing to hear the kind of results they were able to get with these units, running 3-phase screw compressors, multiple CNC machines. I thought, wow, this is kind of crazy. Now, these solutions run from mild to wild. You can get one for several $1,000s at a smaller rating range, or you could go all the way up to industrial solutions. And this is an enterprise unit here. This, again, is 62 amps in and 36 amps out. And we're also going to have one that's at about double this capacity for this shop here. So there are multiple solutions, and this digital phase conversion technology has just the advantages I was looking for at a very, very attractive price point. So what's exciting is we've got big plans for this digital phase conversion technology from Phase Technologies, and we're going to document it and bring you content here on the channel. And so this is partly telling you what we have planned and partly a question around what do you want to see. So again, we're going to have a larger unit installed down here at the main shop, and we're going to have this unit, the smaller unit, installed up at the mountain shop. We're going to put this equipment to the test One of the pros of digital phase conversion technology is more instantaneous amperage and better high load startups, that kind of thing. So we're going to do a little bit of a comparison of like rotary phase converter, for instance, versus digital phase conversion technology. We're also going to document the entire process of getting the facilities ready. I've already got a 200 amp panel energized here that was out of service. That's going to be dedicated for our larger unit. We're going to talk about what it takes to put the panel up, integrating that with the 3-phase panel. We're going to be bringing equipment online with this digital phase conversion technology. We want to answer any of the questions that you all might have if you want to install a 3-phase digital converter at home, at work, in an enterprise setting, whatever that might be. So we're going to have a lot of fun with this, and if you have specific questions, please let us know, and that way we can document that as a part of the process of creating these stories and publishing these videos. So where can you go to find out more? You can go to phasetechnologies.com. They've got content, the product pages, specifications. There's also a phone number that you can call, which we'll put up right down here. They've got customer support and sales staff that are going to be able to guide you through the process of evaluating if this technology is right for you, lining up your deal, and so on and so forth. And if you tell them that Ultimate Reloader sent you, they're going to add on an additional full year of warranty coverage. So if you're interested in a phase converter, definitely think about Phase Technologies. And if you do contact them, make sure to mention Ultimate Reloader to get that additional year's warranty. And don't forget, drop a comment if you have something specific that you want to see as a part of our journey getting these panels installed and bringing the equipment online. Thank you very much for watching. That concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. Thanks again for watching.